Hello friends, this is Rupesh Jadhav again. Welcome to Crusader Academy's online classes. Uh, Last time I have prepared the videos on India Airbook two topics. First was of agriculture. I have made two videos, and then afterward near about six videos on communication and information technology. But I received the comment, sir, please make the videos on science and tech first. Okay, and let me tell you, this video is very much helpful for the students who are preparing for UPSC, then state civil service, then any banking exam. And now it is a scientific and technological development. This topic is very much important for those people who are going for BART exam, or what we say TIFR or other institutes. Okay, so if you are going for science and want to become a scientist in that field, and if you are going to appear any exam for that, this topic is very much helpful for you also. So overall, science and technology development, it is this topic which cannot be avoided. Whichever exam it may be, there will be definitely some question on this under the heading of general science. Okay, and moreover, for UPSC prelims as well as mains, this topic is again very much important. So without missing a time, let's go further. You can check out, this is the topic number, chapter number 25, scientific and technological developments. So here there is one sentence given that it provides the largest extramural research and development support in the country, which that is Department of Science and Technology. Here there is no ministry, there is Department of Science and Technology. Okay, so it provides that research and development initiative and education and in scientific and industrial research and development. So let's go further without wasting our time. So the policy is of 2013. Okay, the policy is of 2013. You can check it, that science and technology and innovative policy, SIT policy. Okay, sorry, STI policy, STI policy, science, technology and innovation policies of 2013. First question, first bit. Okay, so science and technology innovative policies of which year? It is of 2013. Then coming to the next. Okay, there is the main policy goal. What is the main policy goal? This Srishti is the main policy goal. Important. Okay, it is scientific. What is the long form of Srishti? Science, research and innovative system for high technology. Okay, so high technology led path for India. So led path is not mentioned there. Okay, for this you have to keep it in mind. Sometimes what happen, the word this science, research, I, everything will be okay, but and, for, of, these will be replaced. So you should check out the long form of Srishti is science, research and innovation system for high technology led path for India. Okay, so this is the main policy goal. This is the main policy goal of this policy. Okay, then next is SERB. You can check out here. One more thing is that there is department has established a dedicated policy research cell for this. So 5 policy research centers have been established to develop and design new programs and action plan for implementation in science, technology and innovation sector. Now Science and Engineering Research Board. So Its short form is SERB. This is asked. What is the long form of SERB? Okay. So here itself says that in the field of science and engineering research, this board is going to be an main board who is handling all the research in science and engineering. Okay. So they are also providing this early career research awards, ECRA, ECR awards. Okay, here it is there. ICRA awards for young faculty for setting up laboratory facilities for quick launching to research by new faculty. Okay, so okay, so this is for young faculty for setting up laboratory facilities. Then next is TARE. Here it is given TARE. Okay, it is a mobility scheme, Teachers Associates for Research Excellence. It has been launched in 2016-17 for faculty members. Okay, faculty members of, uh, is it for school? No, it is for school colleges. Okay, state universities, colleges, academic institutions such as IITs, IISCs, ISERs, national labs, etc. Okay, whichever may be closer to their institution, okay, they will establish a lab nearby to that place, to their their college, so that faculty members can go there and do some research. Okay, so they are giving fellowship of 5000 rupees per month and contingency grant of rupees 5 lakh per annum over a period of 3 years. Okay, so this is another. Then next, this is very much important, inspire. What is the long form of inspire? Innovative, innovative here, innovative in science pursuit for inspired research. Okay, and it is heading is attracting young talent. It is definitely for young talent. It means it is for students. Okay, the students who are of the age group between 10 to 15 has been provided Inspire Award during the last 3 years. So science camp are also organized for the class 11 students. Okay, so it is for young students. What you will be, what opportunity you will have if you win the Inspire Award? You can meet the science icons from India and abroad, including Nobel laureates. So if you win this award, Inspire Award, you have opportunity to meet the top scientists of the country as well as abroad, including the Nobel laureates. Okay, so if somebody wants to meet a Nobel prize winner person, he has to win this Inspire Award. Okay, along with this, this was for student. There is Inspire Faculty Awards for the age group 27 to 32 years. Okay, this was Inspire Students Award, Inspire Student Faculty Student. It is for 10 to 15 years. Along with that, Science Camp for 11th standard students. Now Inspire another for faculty member. Their age should be 27 to 32 years. Okay, and contractual through contractual and tenure position for 5 years. Okay, so it is important. So they provide postdoctoral researchers, so they are awarded PhD, postdoctoral research. Okay, have been given candidate awards for last 4 years. Okay, then for women scientist, now name itself says women scientist. What is the flagship? It is Kiran. Check out the Kiran knowledge long form. Okay, knowledge, involvement, in research advancement through nurturing. So here the another word is through, nurturing. So just it means for giving opportunities to women to become a scientist. Okay. Now next, climate change. So National Mission for Sustaining Himalayan Ecosystem, for Himalaya, NMSHE. Then national means sustaining the Himalayan ecosystem for strategic knowledge on climate change, NMSKCC, launched under National Action Plan for Climate Change. Okay, so six major research under this mission, national mission, six major research programs have been initiated. So now Himalayas climate change portal, check out the name, to make the knowledge on Himalayas readily available for the end users. So name itself says some, it is regarding for Himalayan ecosystem. So information about Himalaya will be there. Then next is Nidhi. Check out the long form. National Initiative for Developing and Harnessing Innovations. Okay. So Nidhi, it has some specific component. It is an umbrella scheme for seamless innovation ecosystem booster. Okay. Now what are the components of this Nidhi scheme? Check out. Number one, Prayas. What is the long form? Promotion and PR means promotion. Promotion for PR and acceleration of young and aspiring innovators, common. Okay, and startup. So here I, this innovators I is not there. So PR, this PR for promotion, acceleration A, young, and this young, then aspiring, A for aspiring, and in startups. So A for aspiring innovator, this A aspiring innovator they have kept common, they have not mentioned the I. Okay, check it out. Then second one is EIR, second component, entrepreneur in residence support system to reduce risk. Then third one is Startup Nidhi, Startup Nidhi through Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Center. This is IEDC's. So long form is Innovation and Entrepreneurship Development Centers. Then the next is TBI. Okay. This IEDC in academic institutions for encouraging students to promote startup. Then next is fourth one is this startup centers in collaboration with MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Ministry of Human Resource and Development. Okay, then fifth is TBI. This fifth is TBI, Technology Business Incubator, converting innovations to startup. छोटा मोटा जो होगा उसको बड़ा करने का है. Then sixth is Accelerator, fast tracking startup through focused intervention. Seventh is Triple S, Seed Support System. Okay, providing early stage, seed means for early development. Okay, for early beginning, early stage investment. Okay, and eighth is Center of Excellence. This is Center of Excellence. So this was about Nidhi initiative. The question may comes in mains also and in prelims. I have said the short form, long form, that will be there. So I'm stopping here because this topic is very much difficult to understand for the students who not only have science background, but also for the students who have arts background, they will never be able to understand this what is exactly. Actually we are telling the administrative part of the science development, and what are the programs and policies regarding science and development. Okay, so again I am repeating, if you like my video, give me one like. Okay, please put comment in your comment box. One comment, one video will be definitely there. This video is prepared keeping all the topic aside, but somebody put a comment, said make video on science and tech, so I am making I have started. Your comment will definitely lead me to finish this chapter. Okay, so and subscribe my channel Crusader D Guardian. Thank you very much.